Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create a mock-up for our product using AI tools in just 1 minute. First, we need to visit the app.mockups.ai website. As you can see, there are many options to choose from. We need to upload our product. Select one of the templates. And then click on the Generate button. Now, we have 4 samples of our product mockup to choose from. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.